Hey folks, my name is Sam Najjar and I'm a real estate broker with Royal LePage. Thank you for tuning in. Will the Canadian and the Greater Toronto Area real estate markets crash? I say no. I'll tell you more in this video. Firstly, as more and more vaccines go into arms and the country opens up, we are going to see recovering employment numbers across the board. Secondly, interest rates may rise a little bit next year as the economy improves, but not by much, and they'll certainly continue to be at the historically low levels they're at right now. The real estate industry plays a critical role in the Canadian economy, and that's why the government will be very careful when considering interest rate changes. Thirdly, demand will continue to be strong because of immigration, students coming back, and investors becoming active again. Let's start with immigration. Immigration numbers reached very low levels in 2020, but that will start to pick up again with more vaccines in arms and the pandemic behind us. The federal government actually revised its immigration targets for the next 3 years, and they're aiming for over 410,000 new Canadians a year, which would be something that we haven't seen since the early 1900s. With regards to students, we have well over 1 million Canadians that fall into the temporary resident category, mostly foreign students, about 830,000 of them, studying in Canada annually that will be coming back. We're the third largest country in the world after the UK and the US to host them here. And that creates a ton of demands for condos in our cities and university towns across the country that's just been missing. Investors, the people that provide a lot of our rental stock in the country, our small business people that own 1 to a handful of units, are coming back as well. And finally, if you look at those people who have been the most negatively impacted by the economic implications of this health crisis, they do not overlay with those who would qualify to buy a home or who are homeowners. So about 70% of Canadians own their homes, and those people have done much, much better during this economic crisis than others. Default rates on mortgages is still incredibly low. We came into the pandemic at 0.2% of 1%, less than a quarter of 1% of mortgages going into default, which is an all-time record in Canada, and since then it's crept up to 0.27%. That's still 12% less than in the United States, so that indicates that our lending standards are very tight, and even those who took advantage of the mortgage deferral program have been able to win themselves out of it and go back to meeting their commitments. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're planning to buy or sell, or you're just curious to know what's happening in your local market, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, please like and share this video, and if you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button or follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram to get all the latest videos and market information. Have a great day, everybody, and stay safe.